Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Manifested Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio rampage email is down below, and my Master Manifestation workshop where I teach you guys how to EFT tap, as well as other nervous system regulation techniques in the link in my bio. And today I'm going to be doing EFT tapping for health. If you're new to EFT tapping, just follow along, do what I do. I am healthy. I am well. My body is healed. I am healed. I am free of all health problems. I am a health magnet. I am healthy. I am well. My body is healed. I am healed. I am free of all health problems. I am a health magnet. I am healthy. I am well. My body is healed. I am healed. I am free of all health problems. I am a health magnet. And that is EFT tapping for health. Repeat as needed. Remember, I have a nervous system regulation program out now and a membership site on my channel if you guys are interested in extra content, link in the description. And that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.